In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch videos on your Apple Watch. First of all, you have to go to your iPhone and open the message apps and open a conversation. In the message conversation, you have to type youtube.com and then just send this YouTube link to the conversation. Now go to your Apple Watch, press the crown. From your app library, open the message app. In the message app, you have to open the same conversation, in which conversation you just send the YouTube link. And here in the conversation, we can see the YouTube link, youtube.com. Just tap on that. And you directly jump into YouTube. Now tap on this search video. Funny cats. That's all. Go ahead and search for the video you want to watch. And here you can see the YouTube search results. Now you can simply go ahead and just tap the video you want to watch. Now on, whenever you want to watch videos, just go to the app screen, open the message app, go to the chat or conversation, and just open the YouTube link and enjoy your videos from your Apple Watch.